Hello, this video is on solitude and community and how these both work together and are a necessity along the path if you're working on spiritual development, cultivation, and dissolution. So, what is the purpose of community? Well, from the positive side, you have the development and the support when it comes to cultivating a self-image that allows for subtle energetic experience to be okay. So this has to do with the makeup of collective consciousness. If everyone around you is in disbelief about something and is very sure that something doesn't exist, we then have to fight that. We have to overcome that. Our belief in what we're doing, our belief based on experience of success, has to be stronger than the negative disbelief from the society around us. So if we have a community of people we're training with, friends and practicers along the path, then one thing that we get to benefit from is the acceptance and the truth, the validity of what it is that we're experiencing and that we are capable of enacting and expressing in the world when it comes to subtle energetic development. So this is invaluable, and great teachers find ways to make this happen. So this is the positive benefit of a community. Now, one of the negative aspects of a community of practicers is that one thing that we tend to do is we will slot ourselves into the developmental curve of that community. So we will slow down our own progress so that it fits within the collective progress of the group. And this you can see quite often in schools and just groups of people that are practicing together in general, is that everyone tends to evolve at the same rate. People start separate and then everyone gets sucked in to the collective nature of the group. This is very natural, and it's not a terrible thing, but it does slow you down. So if you are well below the level of the group, then great, you join the group, and that group level, that group energy very quickly lifts you up and lifts up your skills. But there's a point where you have to separate yourself from that community, and you have to go out and be on your own. You need to be in solitude so that you can keep cultivating your successes, which then stimulate and evolve the substance of your faith in what you do. And this creates a self-image and an energetic strength as a result of all these things that you wouldn't really get otherwise. So we need solitude so that we can work on and develop in the absence of potential degrading aspects of the community, but we also can use the community very, very effectively for uplifting ourselves to the level of the community and for allowing our subconscious to accept the truth of and the power, the potency of what we're capable of, which builds faith. Again, that substance of faith, which will be another video, I think, again at some point. Anyway, hope this was helpful, and hope you enjoyed the view. It's a nice one. Practice. Bye.